Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call.
Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert this Dero dress into a beautiful sexy dress that you can wear to a date, to a wedding, to a party, to a red carpet. Yeah, so I'm going to make this dress for my sister. I always just wear this dress in the house when I'm relaxing because it's baggy and free and comfortable. I got this dress at 300 shilling, that is $3 only. I also have this other dress, but then I didn't want to cut this one because it kind of fits me so well. So for this one I can wear it to church, to wherever place, because it fits me so well. So I'm going to make this dress for my sister because there's a video I shared with you last year on how to convert this baggy dress into a sexy dress, and my baby sister loved it, so she wanted the same. And so today's video is all about that. So what you're going to do, you're going to cut the sides open. This DIY is very simple. This is something you can just do within 10 minutes and you'll be done. For me, I converted this dress for like 30 minutes because I had to record, I had to show you guys. So like this is just a simple DIY.
Open up a world behind stars. Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over.
After I cut open the sides, I decided to widen the size of the neck because I want my hands and my boobs to go through the hole. And then if you want the exact same dress as mine, if you want this exact same two-piece as mine, you have to use this type of dress, the Dera dress.
We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. We don't need no miracle.
And then you're going to turn the dress so that the front and the back are on the sides. And then you're going to cut the extra piece at the back so that you can have a high-low skirt.
The summer's
So the neck area is going to be on your waist, and then this other hand is going to be the front part of the skirt, and then this part that you're going to cut is going to be the back of the skirt.
calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without.
And then if you notice I'm not like marking a straight line, I'm going to cut it at an angle so that it creates that high-low shape.
In an emerald, it took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way.
I'm going to turn this dress inside out, then see the part that I've cut, and I'm not going to use a machine. I'm going to use my needle and my thread. As simple as that.
The summer's calling.
As you can see, I've not sewn to the waist area. I've left some inches so that I can just give it an allowance in case I want to wear it again. I don't want to struggle when putting it on, or I don't want my sister to struggle when she's putting it on. So on this part I can just sew a zipper or buttons. I decided to sew the belt on the skirt, but then you don't have to do this part. You can just use buttons or zipper. That is enough. You don't have to do this part.
And we watch our dreams appear. I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you.
And just like that, and we are done with our outfit.
Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer.
So this is how it's going to be. One side is going to be the back, and this other side is going to be the front part of the skirt. And as I told you earlier, you're supposed to attach a zipper or buttons at the back so that no one can see your panties. But for my sister, I didn't attach any zipper or buttons because her waist is tiny, so it just kind of crisscrossed the belt and it fit her so well, so no one could see her panties. So this extra scarf is going to be our top, and if you have small boobs, the better, because you have so many ways in which you can wrap this scarf. But if you have big boobs like mine, you have maybe 3 or 4 styles only. I'm going to show you different ways in which you can style this outfit before my sister tries it on, and I will also tell you my favorite one. So this is the first style. Just wear the skirt with an extra top and you're good to go. Nothing more, nothing less. You can decide to add a belt if you feel like the waist area doesn't look so perfect. And also I realized this skirt can be so good for a photo shoot or just Instagram pictures.
If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy.
So actually this was my favorite style, especially if you have big bust. Like this can also work so well. So what you're going to do for the lower part of the top, you're going to use a safety pin to secure it, just like that. And then you can wear it with the bra as well.
And I'll be yours.
And so that is my beautiful sister in her beautiful outfit. And like guys, you can tell that this is actually from a Dero dress. And I also wanted to reduce the length of the skirt, but she refused. She said she just wants it this long so that when she has heels on, it still like touches the ground.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't of the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel it.
And that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.